My name is Brandon Sarkis on behalf of Expert Village. Today I'll be showing you some of the new features in Mac OS 10.5 Leopard. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is Apple's new Spaces feature, which is for all practical purposes a virtual desktops. So we're going to go over here, click on System Preferences, because the first thing you have to do is actually turn the Spaces feature on. It does not come turned on by default. So we'll click on this. It's in the top row under Personal. It's bundled in with Expose. This folder used to just be Expose, now it's Expose and Spaces. So you click on that, you'll see it still opens up by default to Expose. The next line is Spaces, so just click on that. First thing you have to do is actually enable it. So click there, now we'll see everything come on. And what I do, this is a matter of personal preference, is show your spaces in the menu bar. And what that does is it puts a little icon up here that actually allows you to thumb between them, however you see fit. And also, there's also a nice little icon at the top that shows you which page you're on of the four you've got, or four you have by default. You can add a row here, you can add columns. I think the most you can have is 16, which is 4 by 4. But what I'm going to do here is, obviously I have no need for 16, so I'm just going to make mine 4 again. Alright, since I've already done this once, and I've already been playing with it for a little while, you'll see there's application assignments here. I've got Aperture, GarageBand, a couple things like that assigned to certain workspaces. The idea behind this is that I can have one workspace that's just for photos, one workspace just for videos, one workspace just for audio like Logic Pro or GarageBand, and that way you can have them open, not have your applications all on top of each other, and have them all in full screen mode and switch between them nice and neatly and have no major problems. So the way you want to add an application is here. I'll add something to one of them. So you go to here, and I'm just going to go to Applications here, and I'm going to add Lightroom, for example, Adobe Lightroom, and I'm going to hit Add. And so you'll see that it pops up right here, and automatically puts it in space 1. Well, I want to have it in space 2 with Aperture. So I click on there, make it space 2. There you go, simple enough. Down here is a couple of features you can change. To activate spaces, hit F8, which you'll see if I hit it right now. It brings up your 4 windows. You can pick which space you want to work in. To switch between spaces, the default is Control with the arrow keys. And you can see there's a little icon on the screen that shows you which one you're switching to and which one you're switching with. And to switch directly to a space, you can just hit Control and hit the appropriate number key to switch to it, which is kind of a neat feature.